Okay, so hello everyone. In the last session, we were studying miscellaneous, and in the miscellaneous, we do have the another question like vegetable and beets base question. Okay, so the question is like a vegetable vendor uses a balance to weight a vegetable asked for by the customer such that he keeps weight on one side and vegetable on the other side, right? The customer will always ask for an integral amount and it has to be weighted at one go. Find the minimum number of weightings required if he has to weight any value from 1 to 100 kg, right? So this scenario is, this is the weighing balance and vegetable vendor uses the vegetables on one side and weights on other side, right? The vendor has to weight vegetable 1 to 100 kg and the weight that he has to use should be in integral value. So this is the this is the case when the vegetable vendor uses the weight one side and vegetable on one side, the number of integral the number of weights will be in 2 to the power 2 to the power n. Like if we put the value of n so that the value doesn't go out of 100, so 2 to the power 0 will be is equal to 1, 2 to the power 1 will be equal to 2, 2 to the power 2 that is 4, thereafter 8, 16, 32, 64, right? So if we check the number of weightings 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, that means number of weightings that will be required, that will be 7, right? Okay, and if you are to ask that what will be the maximum weight used here, so you can check the maximum weight will be 64 kg, right? Okay, let us check one more scenario. This scenario is a vegetable vendor uses the balance to measure the weight. The vegetable is 1 to 100 kg, right? And he has to put weight on one side and on the second side he can use vegetable and weight both, right? In this scenario he was using only vegetable on one side, but in this scenario he is using vegetable and weight both the sides. So the same question is what will be the number of weightings required and what will be the maximum number of weighting. So whenever the scenario is the vegetable vendor uses weight on one side and vegetable and weight on other side, this scenario depends on 3 to the power, right? So if we put the value of n, so 3 to the power 0 will be 1, 3 to the power 1 that is 3, thereafter 9, thereafter 27 and thereafter 81. If in this question you are to ask that the number of weighting, so number of weighting will be is equal to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the maximum weight that will be required, this will be of 81 kilogram, right? So this is the question that can be asked in miscellaneous, right? So let us discuss one more other question. So our next question is based on the race between the 5 people A, B, C and D, right? So the question is like a race was held between A, B, C, D with no two of them being tied for any spot. After the race, each of them made the following two statements. A, I came first and B came fourth. B speaks, I came second and A did not come first. C says, B came third and I did not come third. And D says, B came first and I came second. Further, each of them say one true statement and one false statement. Though the order is not known, then we have to find the correct order of their race, right? So we can make the statement like this: A, B, C and D, and the race was being held between A, B, C and D, right? So this is the scenario of the participant A, B, C, D, and here we will write the statement, the two statement that each one A, B, C, D is speaking, right? So in the first case, A is saying I came first and B came fourth, so we can write it as I came first and B came fourth. Okay, second, B says that I came second and A did not come first. Here B says I came second and A did not come first, right? Okay, third says like B came third and I did not come third. That means C says B came third and I did not come third. Thereafter D says B came first and I came second. That means here B came first and I came second. This A, B, C, D and the statement spoken by A, B, C, D are this. Then we have to find out the correct order of the race held between A, B, C and D, right? Okay, so let us check. If we write that the this is correct, right? This statement spoken by A is correct, then the statement spoken by B should be false, right? Okay, if A is coming first, so we can write first here. Now if we check the statement spoken by B, so B is saying that I did not come first, that means this statement is true, so this statement should be false, right? This statement should be true and this statement should be false. Thereafter, if we go through the statement spoken by C, C is saying that B came third and I did not come third. That means here we can make the statement of C that this statement is correct, this statement is correct and this statement is wrong, right? This statement is correct and this statement is wrong. Thereafter, if we check for D, D is saying that I came first, that means this statement should be wrong and this statement should be true. That means the order should be here, right? And if we check the statement spoken by C, he is saying that B came fourth and I did not come third. C did not come third and B came third and I did not come third. So if we check here, the order can be right like this statement should be true and this statement should be false, right? So 3 would be here and 4 would be here, right? So correct ordering would be A of first, D of second, third of B and D of fourth. So if we check here, question number 11, who came first in the race? So answer is A. Question number 12, who came third in the race? So answer is B. Who came fourth? So answer is C, right? Okay, coming to the one more question like this. Okay, so our next question is, the Indian team did not well in the match and therefore all the 3 top players were blamed each other for the defeat. Incidentally, one of them was a batsman, the other a bowler and a third was wicketkeeper. The batsman made 100 in the match, the bowler took 2 wickets while the wicketkeeper took 3 catches. When asked, each one made 2 statements. While both the statements were made by one of them was true. The second one gave one true and one false statement. The second statement made by the third statement were both false, right? That means one is speaking both the statement correct, second is speaking one false, one true, and the third one is speaking both the false statement, but the correct order is not known, right? So here we have three people, Sachin, Rahul and Dhoni, right? So we can write like Sachin, Rahul and Dhoni, right? Okay, so if we check the statement, there are two statements spoken by these two. If we check the first statement of Sachin, this statement is, I was not the one who take 2 wickets, right? Second statement is, both of Dhoni's statement are true. And though if we check the statement of Dhoni, Dhoni's statement is, I was the one who make 100. Rahul took 3 catches. Okay, if we take second statement of Sachin correct, so this is saying both of Dhoni's statement are true. That means both of Dhoni's statement should be true, right? And if one statement of Sachin is true, then second statement of Sachin should be false. And here both the statement of Rahul should be wrong. So in this case, what is the ordering? Dhoni is making 100 runs. Dhoni is making 100 runs. Thereafter, Rahul is taking 3 catches. Rahul is taking 3 catches and Sachin is taking 2 wickets. Right? So if we make the order like this, the order is this, right? Okay, let us check one more scenario where Sachin, Rahul and Dhoni, first statement, second statement, first statement, second statement, first statement and second statement, right? So the question is, a statement spoken by Sachin, I was not the one to take 2 wickets. Suppose like Dhoni, Rahul and Sachin, right? And the second statement is, both of Dhoni's statement are true. Both of Dhoni's statement are true. Okay. If we check the another case that can be made in the question, like the statement of Rahul is, Sachin make 100 run. I am making this statement correct, right? So here we have 3 persons, Dhoni, Rahul and Sachin. And I am making the first statement of Rahul, that is correct, that is Sachin make 100 run. So Sachin make 100 run, this is correct. Okay. Thereafter, second statement that Rahul is making, I did not take 3 catches. This statement should also be correct, because if I check the Dhoni statement, that is I was the one who made 100 run. That means this statement should be definitely wrong, right? And Rahul took 3 catches. Rahul took 3 catches. This statement should be. This statement should be correct. This statement should be wrong. Rahul took 3 catches because Rahul is not in 3 catches. And if we check the first statement of Sachin, I was not the one who take 2 wickets. That is, Sachin is saying I was not the one. That means the first statement of Sachin is true. And the second statement, both of Dhoni's statements are true. This is false. Right? So in this case, the first statement of Dhoni will take 3 catches and Rahul will take 2 wickets. So all in all, we have 2 possibilities in the question. And if we look at the available questions here, the question is, who took 3 catches in the match? So if we check here, 3 catches Rahul taken, and if we check 3 catches Dhoni is taking. So the answer will be cannot be determined. Right? If we check second question, the question is, which player gave both false statement? If we check here, Rahul's both the statements are false, and if we check Dhoni, both statements are false. So answer is either Rahul or Dhoni. So this statement is correct. Answer number D. Right? If we check question number 16, if Dhoni gave both false statement, who make 100 run? So here Sachin is making 100 run. Right? Okay. Thereafter question number 17, which player gave one true, one false statement? One true, one false statement. In that case, Sachin is giving one true, one false statement, and in this case also Sachin is giving one true and one false statement. So answer will be Sachin. That is your option number A. Thereafter question number 18. The question is, which player took 2 wickets in the match? So if we check here, 2 wickets Rahul is taking, and if we check 2 wickets Sachin is taking. So answer will be cannot be determined. Right? So this was all about the miscellaneous units that you have. Right? Thank you so much. If you have any question, if you have any doubt in any question, you can ask. I have shared my contact number, and you already know. Thank you so much.